Welcome to my digital forensics lab setup. Usually when you're setting up a digital forensics lab, you do need a business case. In this case, my business case is quite simple because I'm the private practice. I own the private practice and I am the sole proprietor, which means that I can either raise the funds to create my own digital forensics lab or take out a bank loan. In this case, I have taken out a bank loan. I'm proud to say that my lab is ASQ National Accreditation Board accredited. The ANAB sets the requirements and guidelines for having a digital forensics lab. They set the requirements for handling and preserving evidence, performing laboratory procedures, setting personnel requirements, and they also encourage professional development. Since I am a small operation, I only have about 2 to 3 cases a month. This could range from anything from civil cases to a company coming to me about email harassment. Again, because I am a small operation, I don't need a lot of space. 150 square feet is great for me. One forensic workstation, one workstation with internet access, one workbench, and 2 storage cabinets is all I need. Setting a budget when you have a digital forensics lab is really important. You want to make sure that you create a spreadsheet of your monthly, quarterly, and annually budget, just so you know, so you can see where your money is going and how you can plan for the future. You want to make sure that you set enough money aside for your facility, hardware, software, and training. When you're a digital forensic investigator, it's important to have a facility that meets the basic requirements. You want to make sure that you have your own small private room. There's door accesses with locks, a secure container, a visitor log, and it's an added bonus to have security cameras. You want to make sure that you have a small private room so no one can see your confidential work. You'll also want to keep the integrity of your work by making sure no one else that is not authorized sees it. Door locks are important so no one can gain access to your evidence or tamper with it. Locks should be changed and kept, and you should keep track of the keys. Having a secure container is very important to hold your evidence. You want to make sure that these containers also are padlocked with keys. And it's also important to make sure that you're changing out those keys. And you're also keeping an evidence log to make sure that you are aware who's going in and out of your evidence. The same goes with a visitor's log. You want to make sure that you're keeping track of everyone that goes in and out of your building. Security cameras are an added bonus because you want to make sure that you're keeping your facility secure. And you want to be able to see when you're not there if anyone is trying to break in and tamper with your evidence. You want to make sure that you have the fastest processor, most amount of RAM, and disk storage you can have when you're a digital forensic investigator. Make sure you have hardware peripherals like a digital camera, assorted anti-static bags, external CDs, DVD drive, a write block, extra USB 3s, and graphic cards, just to name a few. Since I'm at a private practice, I would want multi-use hardware that's versatile because I don't know what my next investigation might have, so I would want a Windows PC and a Macintosh system. For software, you also want a variety of having copies of many of the legacy operating systems just because not everyone is up to date with the new operating systems like Microsoft, Macintosh, and Linux. You want to make sure that you're keeping up to date on the new softwares. Trainings. Trainings are also important. You want to make sure that you set enough money aside and keeping up to date with the new certifications that are coming out. Certifications are a great way to stay up to date of what the expectations are in the field. There are a number of associations of certificates that you can look at online. Even the police have some of their own. The International Association of Computer Investigators is a test to help standardize credentials in digital investigations. And if you pass, you get a certified forensics computer examiner. There's other certifications like certified cyber forensics professionals. The High Tech Crime Network offers a level of certifications. There's so many different certifications you can get. Some certifications require some trainings and also experiences in the field. Certifications are a great way for networking because you never know when you get an investigation where you might know somebody that knows how to use hardware or software that you don't know, and you have met them while you were in some type of training, and you can reach out to them for some help. And that's it. That's my digital forensics lab. Thank you.